Hi, and welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, or simply AI. Today, we're going to break down the explanation of AI into the simple terms that anyone can understand. What is AI? At its basic, artificial intelligence is all about giving computers the ability to think and make decisions, just like humans do. Imagine a computer that learns from the experience, gets smarter over time, and can solve problems on its own, without any help or support from humans. That is AI in its simple explanation. Imagine a helpful robot assistant who can learn, remember your choices, and even make decisions on its own. That's kind of what AI is like. It's basically a set of clever computer programs that can mimic human intelligence in incredible ways. What can AI do? AI is nowadays everywhere. The voice assistants you chat with, and even the cars that drive themselves. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, farmers optimize crops, and scientists unlock the secrets of the universe and help them in their research process. Every day new technologies being developed to improve AI, and AI itself upgrades itself for new experiences and tasks. How does AI work? AI is like a superpowered brain. It learns by crunching through massive amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making connections. The more data it gets, the smarter and more accurate it becomes, just like us. The most common and straightforward one is called machine learning. Imagine uploading a computer tons of pictures about cats and dogs. It learns to recognize the furry features that make them different, and then it can distinguish between a cat and a dog in any picture it sees. The more advanced method is called deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Think of it as layers of virtual neurons that process information. It's inspired by how our brain works, allowing computers to learn and make decisions on their own. And it is this type of AI that's evolving nowadays, and it seems like it will continue growing in a surprisingly massive amounts, even in the near future. Types of AI. We can categorize AI into three main segments. First is simple AI, which is developed to do specific tasks, like recognizing faces in photos or playing chess. Second is general AI, which can handle a wide range of tasks, almost like a human. Third, and finally, super intelligent AI is like the superhero. It's hypothetical, but it would be smarter than any human in every way. Dangers and ethics of AI. Before we end up this video, it is vital to touch on the ethical concerns and risks of AI. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to consider issues like privacy, bias, such as political views, and ensuring that it benefits everyone in a fair and just way, and to take objective rather than subjective decisions. Some people worry about AI taking over the world, and frankly, they are right to worry. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us, the humans, to make sure we use it responsibly and ethically. Therefore, safety and risk measures should be carefully considered before trying to improve current AI models. The future of AI. The future of AI seems bright and evolving. It has the potential to solve some of the humanity's biggest challenges, like climate change and healthcare. Imagine a world where AI helps us build sustainable cities, develop personalized medicine, and even explore other planets. This channel will be updated with recent AI developments and its applications and new technologies. Therefore, it is advised to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss any future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and write then your suggestions for upcoming video ideas related to the topic.